Good morning class. Welcome to our college Sharad Institute of Technology Polytechnic EDRA Department of Information Technology. Today start 23rd lecture on data structure using C. You already know which are the vision and mission statements of our department vision statement is that to excel in information technology engineering education to produce professionally competent engineers with lifelong learning attitude for the accomplishment of ever growing needs of society and industry. Department mission, there are three statements are there. First, to provide quality education through effective teaching learning methodologies with simulating environment for preparing technical and professional competent engineering. Second one, to build up professional skills in students that will help them to succeed and progress in their personal and professional career. To embed professional ethics and social responsibilities in students for society and environment. These are the departmental mission statements. Okay. After that, syllabus for that our subject you already know. In there 5 units are there. We start the unit number 3 stacks and queues for 20 marks. Unit number 1 and unit number 2 is already completed. Course outcomes means after the completion of course what you will be achieve. Okay. After the unit number 3 you will achieve implement basic operations on stack and queue using array representation. Unit okay. So syllabus for that unit number 3 stacks and queues, in that main points is that introduction to stacks under the subpoints and introduction to queues, and there also subpoints are there. That subpoints are we studied one by one. Now we start the point dynamic representation in memory using linked list, but this point is not syllabus in for you. Means what? In your syllabus you see that the subpoint in an introduction to stack, in that only for said stack representation in memory using array, only for using array through memory representation how will be formed, that are only syllabus for you, and these points are already completed in a previous lecture. But stack representation in memory, this using through two types, through representation in a memory of that stack data structure, how using through array and using through linked list. Okay, linked list is not to your syllabus, okay, only for array, but this is the complete the point under the your unit number 4, that is linked list. Okay, under the linked list chapter unit number 4, that's our points are this is dynamic representation in a memory using linked list. Means in a linked list number types are there: singly linked list, doubly linked list, circular linked list. Okay, that under singly linked list means this point. Okay, so this is not your syllabus. Okay, this is means in under the stack, not is syllabus, but this is the covered under the unit number 4. But any time, but in case asked to question, okay, dynamic representation in a memory using linked list in a stack, that time you not create you are not in create any confusion, so these points are taken. Okay, in a exam, even in your exam, means in your previous board exams, not a question on that point, means dynamic representation in a memory using linked list in a stack, not question asked. Linked list question is asked, okay, but using through stack, not question is asked. But in a previous lecture, which points are taken? Stack using through array representation in a memory, that points are taken, that point are asked, but this is not a pointer asked. But in case question is arise, so I am taking this point. Okay, so first of all clear this point. So next start on today's lecture. Dynamic implementation of stack uses linked list, so it is called as linked list representation of stack. means what? Dynamic implementation. Dynamic means what? In a word indicate that dynamic means anywhere. Okay, so dynamic implementation of stack uses linked list, so it is called as linked list representation of stack. Means stack in using through array, that time we said that it is the static, because means what? Okay, in a previous lecture we taken the point using through static means constant, array size is constant, no changes that array size. Okay, means what? We were also taking a program, in that we define the size. Okay, for example, given the size 5, then you maximum 5 elements are inserted on that array. Okay, but using through linked list, not is the size is fixed. Okay, it is changes the size, means what? That word is indicated that dynamic. Okay, a singly linked list is used to represent a stack. Okay, means what? Instead that it is the point under the linked list. Okay, singly linked list is known as that dynamic representation in a memory using linked list. So this point is not inserted in a stack. Okay, this point is already completed in a linked list. Okay, that time we detail study about this point. In this point only for overview that study. Okay, singly linked list is only requires that the head node or top node. Okay, in that point singly linked list only required that the head node or top node, means what? In that singly linked list, in that one node is there, that's said as the head node or a top node. Okay. Next point, the only possible elements that can be removed or popped in top element, and a node can only be inserted by becoming the new head node. Okay, because our concept of that stack, the top elements will be removed, that is also known as the popped. So in that said that possible elements means which elements are possible to remove, which is element are inserted to the top element. Okay, that meaning is statement is there, and which any new elements we inserted, that element will be inserted to the head node, means on the top node. Okay, after that next point, in linked list implementation of stack, the first element inserted into the stack is pointed out by the second element, and the second element by the third, and so on. Okay, means in that linked list implementation of stack, in that first element is when we inserted into the stack, that pointed by the onto the second element. After that when we inserted second element, that to be pointed by the third element. Okay, that's so on. This through stacks using linked list is stored in a memory. Using through diagrammatically, you are clear your point. Okay, in that. In generally means what? In generally n minus 1th element is pointed out by the nth element. Okay, in a array your elements are n, means for example we n element is taken 4, means 4 minus 1. Okay, 3 means third element is pointed by the fourth element, that's like. Okay, the pointer address corresponding to the nth element has to be maintained, means what? In that nth element means that top element or top element or head element that are maintained to the all the addresses that corresponding that memory. After that the linked list implementation of stack as shown in below figure. Okay, in that linked list implementation of stack requires the following points, means what? Structure declaration containing some n fields, and second one is that pointer to the previous node or the next node. Okay, in that which points are required using through linked list implementation of stack? These are the 2 points. First of all, in that use the structure declaration. Okay, in that containing the n fields are there. After that pointers are used. Okay, pointer means in your previous semester in under the C language you clear the pointer chapter. Okay, in that pointer to the previous node or also next node, that points to the each others. that 2 points are important under the when linked list through implement the stack. Okay, in also diagrammatically through you are clear that point. For example, it is the first element pushed means inserted, after that it is the second element and it is the last element, and in that sentence said that first element inserted into be pointed out by the second element. Okay, means it is the second element that pointed by the first element, third element is pointed by the second element, that's so on. Okay, it is the diagram of linked list with pointer to previous node. Okay, in that through example or diagrammatically you are clear your point how two stacks are represented in a memory using array and also linked list using through array. This is clear your previous lecture. Okay, now on to the today's lecture using through linked list studied. Okay, in that it is your array. Okay, in that array of 0 1 2 3 4. Okay, this is your, because array is starting with 0th location, this is your memory address. Okay, so in that there are the values or elements or items are stored in a stack. Okay, and this example same through using through linked list also representation in a memory. How it is possible in that, for example, array of 0 20 number is there. Okay, this is the 20 number is there. After that 33, okay, is pointed by the 20, in that pointed to the 33. Okay, after that 33, okay, in that 33 and also linked list and in also array 14, 33 is pointed to the 14, sorry 33 is pointed to the 14. After that 14 is pointed to the 65, but in linked list the next item is 81. Okay, so 14 is not linked to the 81, it is linked to the 65. Okay, because first of all inserted your 14 element, after that 65. So okay, after the 65 81 elements are inserted, so in that 65 is pointed to the 81 and is your last node is the or last element is your 81, and in also array last element is 81. Okay, means in that using through array their fixed size is there and their memory location also is fixed, that through elements are inserted, but in through the dynamically your memory location you allocated and that's through your data will be stored. Okay, this is also only for difference in that using through array and using through linked list. Next point, linked list implementation uses structure which is collection of heterogeneous data items. Heterogeneous means what? Okay, okay, all or know what is meant by heterogeneous, homogeneous. Homogeneous means same type of, okay, for example array, and heterogeneous means different types of, means what, in a structure we also stored the integer, character, float, that's like. Okay, structure is also completed you studied in your previous semester under the C language. Okay, so that are revised points. So in that said structure which is collection of heterogeneous data items, means what, in a linked list which concept is used, structure concept is used. Okay, in that a single node of linked list is represented as follows. Okay, in that said that structure declaration. Okay, it's struct node, then the structure name, these are your data types under that structure. Okay, which data types are taken, data and node. Okay, next point, push operation works by receiving a data value to push onto the stack along with a target stack, creating a new node, that is temp, by allocating a memory for it and then inserting it into a linked list by creating the status of top. Okay, in that what is said that when we push operation means inserting the element to that stack. Okay, that how will be possible? First of all, this is using through temp variables, one variable are taken and through memory are allocated, and that elements or that which elements we inserted, that are stored in a temp, and after that this through in your linked list that item will be inserted. Okay, how will be possible? When we when we studied the program, through program you will clear that point. Means what? In that said that if top is null, you also know what is the top in a stack, the which how through or in which place through elements are inserted or removed, that place or that position is said as the top. Okay, in that condition is that if top is null, okay, then first element is inserted into stack and its next field will be null. Means what? In that in the case of top is null, means the stack is empty, that time your first elements is inserted onto the stack, then automatically that inserted on the first position and their next field will be null. Okay, means what? In that, for example, it is a 20 is value. Okay, in the linked list two fields are there. First field is the data and next field is the pointer, and that pointer to the points to the next element. Okay, so in that said that which element are inserted, okay, when the stack is empty, that are filled into the data field and their next pointer will be declared as the null. Next condition is that if top is not null, means in that stack any one elements are there, then temp next points to the existing top and now temp will be new top. Okay, means what? For example, in the case of top is not null, means what? Top is not, stack is not empty, that temp next points that are pointed to the next element, and which are new elements are inserted that are added onto the top element. Next point, pop operation. Pop operation means what? Remove the head or top from the linked list and assign the top pointer to the next node. It checks whether the list is empty before popping from it. Clear that? Means using through pop operation, what will be operation done? Remove onto the head or top of that linked list. Okay, in that first we check that stack is empty or not. After that you will be remove it. Next point, traverse operation checks whether the links is empty before traversing the list. Okay, in that said that traverse operation checks whether the list is empty before traversing the list. Okay, it will be traverse all the element while temp next is not equal to null. Means what? As you know, last element next field is null using loop, then it will print the last element data where temp next is equal to null. Okay, means what? In that said that check this is the temp next element is not null. Okay, means in that any minimum one elements are there on that stack and that elements will be displayed. Okay, in the following program the concept of stack is implemented using linked list, and push, pop and display operations are performed in order to create dynamic stack. In a previous lecture, push, pop and display operations are also done, but in the case of using through array. In that using through linked list means in through dynamic stack, and in a previous lecture which point are taken, that are a static stack, means in that fixed size, and in that link through not a fixed size, so you said that the dynamic stack. Means what? In the running time your memory is changed, your memory size will be you change if you want to. Okay, but in the case of static it is not possible. Okay, program of linked list representation of stack in the under the std conio. These are the header files. struct node, it is a one taken when structure is used, that node in under the these are the data members, and this is the struct variable. Top is taken, in that null is assigned value, in that pointer is used. Next means in a linked list, okay, two fields are there, one data and next is the pointer, that using through point that. Okay, after that push, pop and display, these are the taken the functions. Okay, these in under the function 3 points are there: function declaration, function call, function definition. This is your function declaration. Okay, void main, this is main function. Okay, this is points again in under the fourth unit are taken, but in this only for points are added, so are taken, not the this under onto the this point. In a board exam no any questions is arise, okay, using into the stack, but in the linked list that questions are arise when we start unit number 4. That time you are clear all the points in under this subject, sorry, in under this unit only for concepts are there, that are you studied. Void main, in choice variables are declared, in their printf display the statement, in that printf their menu is display, push, pop and display and exit. This program is same as in a previous program using through array, okay, stack, okay, only for change that representation or that variable declaration syntax. Concept is also same in a previous lecture and in this lecture also, means what, in the static also and in a dynamic also. Enter your choice is entered, that pass to the switch case. In under the case 1 which function is called, push function is called. In under the case 2 pop function is called. In under the case 3 display function is called. In a fourth case exit means your exit on your program. After that in output, and after that default means default means your choice is in under not in a 1 to 4, that time your message is displayed wrong choice, okay, and get saved. In that main, this is the function definition, push, pop and display. Okay, first of all push, in that val variables are taken, means which value you inserted. In that structure variables are taken, that is temp. First of all, in a temp data to be inserted, and this is automatically are stored in a linked list. In that enter the element to be inserted, scanf, %d, val, okay, this value is stored, means which value are inserted, that are stored to the val variable. After that temp is equal to struct node, okay, malloc size of struct node, means in that this statement is that malloc means what, using through malloc your memory in a running process, in your running, that time your memory allocation is required, okay, you want that time you use malloc function, okay, using through this your memory allocation is there. So on that linked list temp, for the temp memory address is allocation, okay, after that val is assigned to that temp, okay, and data in a structure, in a structure concept using through pointers are there, that time any data are fetched in a using through structure and using through pointer, that time this sign is there, okay. Okay, so in that said, that val which users are enter the number that are stored to that temp, okay, onto the linked list. There two fields are there, data and next. Data means actual value and next means that address to the next element, okay, first address element address to the next, second to the third, and so on. Okay, now if top is equal to null, means your top element is null, means that stack is empty, then that temp next is assigned to the null, means that null pointer is assigned to that temp next, that pointer, else temp next is equal to top, otherwise that top elements are inserted to that temp next, and automatically temp is assigned to the top. Means in a temp which value are inserted means which given to the user, that are stored or that are stored into the that top. Means in a stack automatically that first elements will be there inserted. Okay, again you push, the push function is called, again allocated one address of that temp, after that are stored to the temp, that value are stored to the temporary variable. After that check that top is equal to null. Okay, not null, then top will be assigned to that next temp, that pointer, and data will be assigned to that top. Okay, means which element is temp variable, that are assigned to the top, because top is the only for the higher, means last elements will be said as the top. So after that pop, if top is equal to null means top element is considered as the null, means said that stack is empty. Otherwise stack is not empty means any elements are there in a stack, then top element. Okay, in a stack concept is that last elements will be removed first, so top elements are assigned to that temp variable. After that this temp data will be removed, and when we temp variables are removed, that temp next are assigned to that top. Means next in a temp next that which address are pointed to the next element, so automatically next element will be considered as a top, and free to temp means first elements which are we remove that elements automatically free that temp. Clear that? And automatically, and again we call the pop, that time same, means your null, your top is not null, then that top is considered under temp because your temp is free. Okay, when we function is called second time, that time that top is considered as a temp, that temp field is removed. After that that temp next field means that address will be assigned to the next element, that automatically as a considered as a top, and after that temp will be free. Okay, after that void display means what, you display the elements. Top is equal to null. Okay, means your stack is empty. Otherwise that top is assigned to that temp variable, and while temp next means not is equal to null, means your temp next means your temp pointer is not null, means said that in that stack any minimum one elements are there, that temp data is displayed, and that the pointers are assigned to that temp variable. Okay, this condition is run up to null pointer is there, and when null means when temp next is equal to null means what, that elements are last element. Okay, and that last elements will be that elements when temp is equal to null means that elements are to be the last elements. Okay, and that last elements are displayed using through this printf function. Using through this printf function. Clear that? Means what, in that when we display the element, first of all that top is assigned to that temp variable. Okay, that temp next is not is equal to null. Okay, not is equal to null means display the first of all which are the first elements are inserted on that stack, that will be displayed first. Okay, so in that not null means many numbers are there. Okay, when that next is not null, then it is automatically the data will be displayed. Okay, after that next temp next means in a next pointers are there, address are there to the next element, that are automatically assigned to that temp. Okay, this up to whenever that condition is run, up to not is equal to null. When is equal to null means these elements are last element, and this will be displayed using through this printf function. Okay, After that, output, first of all display the message stack using linked list. Okay, in that use. Okay, after that menu is displayed, push, pop, display and exist. Enter your choice 1, enter the element to be inserted. For example, 10 will be inserted. After that 20 is inserted. After that your entered choice is 3 means display that element. First of all 10 is displayed, after that 20 is displayed. Okay, in that when we 10 is inserted, okay, that pointer is pointed to the 20, so automatically 10 is displayed, means that 10 null is in that. Okay, then next is not equal to null, so in using through printf 10 will be displayed, but 20 it is the last element, so in that no any pointed to the next element, so when is equal to null, that using through this printf function 20 will be displayed. Clear that why we in that use this printf and this printf. This printf when we display when not is equal to null, and this printf is when display when is equal to null, means this printf is display is run when last elements will be inserted on that stack. Clear that. Enter the choice 2 means delete the elements to 20, and 4 means exit in your program. Okay, summary on that today's lecture. In that point, on that today's lecture we clear the point dynamic representation in a memory using linked list in under the concept program and output. This point is also again we studied under the unit number 4 linked list. Okay, in that you clear the in details you studied, in that only 4 points are there, so in that only concept is you are clear, then you automatically write your question. But this points is not in your syllabus, mean under the link under the stack, so it is not more important under the unit number 3 means under the stack. Okay, homework on today's lecture, show the memory representation of stack using linked list with the help of diagram. Okay, and on to the previous lecture question, which points we have studied? Memory representation of stack using array. Okay, in that question we are given the question number 3, that also our question is that this type also we question is asked, show the memory representation of stack using array with the help of diagram, also said that with the help of example. Question number 3 in your assignment 3, question number 3 and these questions are same, means in that which points are these questions are show because this type through also asking. Okay, here stop on our today's lecture. In this point any questions arise, then contact with me, no problem. Thank you.